How to verify your business on Google quickly. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to verify your business on Google quickly. Having your business verified ensures that your company stands out in search results and customers can connect with you easily. Let's get started. First, go to Google My Business website and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. Once you're logged in, click on Manage Now and locate your business. Enter your business name in the search bar. If it appears in the drop-down suggestions, select it. Otherwise, choose the option to create a new business with your correct name and address. Double-check and ensure all information is accurate, as this will help clients find you easily. Choose the method by which you want to verify your business. Options might include phone, email, or postcard, depending on your business's category and location. If your business is eligible, opt for instant phone or email verification. It's the fastest way to get verified. For phone verification, ensure the number listed is correct. Google will send a verification code directly to your phone. Enter the code into your Google My Business account to confirm your listing. If you choose email, check your inbox for the code and follow the same steps. For businesses that need to be verified by postcard, ensure your business address is correct and watch for a postcard delivery in about 5 days. When it arrives, log into your Google My Business account and enter the code provided on the card to complete verification. After successful verification, enhance your business profile by adding high-quality photos, responding to customer reviews, and providing regular updates. This engagement helps boost your business visibility on Google. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more tips to help your business thrive online. Thanks for watching.